Well, yes, let's debate. I have the national spokesperson and senior leader of the BJP, Shahzad Poonawala. I have director of Matrise, Manoj Singh. I have senior journalist Rahul Dev. I have KV Prasad, senior journalist Renu Mittal will join in. And I have political analyst Dushyant Nagar. Shahzad, my first question to you. The opposition is still stuck. Any time, any report on One Nation, One Poll comes in. Any time the former President of India, Ram Nath Kovind, holds a meeting in presence of Amit Shah and then the other members, the opposition panics. The opposition doesn't know how to react. The opposition is unable to decipher which way you are heading.
You see, this is not surprising because the Congress party, obviously it can't get one alliance, one consensus on logo, on neta, on niti, but it opposes everything that is done in the interest of the nation. You remember they opposed One Nation, One Tax. They opposed One Nation, One Law. They opposed One Nation, One Flag and One Constitution when 370 was abrogated. And today they are opposing what? They are opposing the same thing that was in place when Nehru ji was around. Now they keep invoking Nehru ji. So Nehru ji ki ye baat kyun pasand nahi aa rahi hai? After that, Nachiyappan ji in 2015 proposed that there should be One Nation, One Law. After that, the Law Commission report came in 2018. And you know who supported that? It was Samajwadi Party, and Samajwadi Party said 2019 se lagu kar do. 2019 से लागू कर दो. अब बताइए ये इंडी गठबंधन, इनका किसी विषय पर कंसेंसस नहीं है. एक ही विषय पर कंसेंसस है. कंसेंसस ओनली ऑन वन इशू कि हिंदू को दो गाली ताकि मिले वोट बैंक की ताली. एंड देयरफॉर टुडे यू आर सीइंग दिस. एंड देखिए गठबंधन भी क्या ही है इनका. आज मैं एक कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ. Karnataka farmers are protesting against Tamil Nadu CM. Tamil Nadu farmers are protesting against Karnataka CM. Adhir is protesting against Bengal CM. CPI is saying no seat for Rahul Gandhi. Vijayan is saying Congress is not secular. Samajwadi Party is going and saying hello to BRS, the same BRS that Congress is rejecting. In Maharashtra, Uddhav Sena and Congress Party are questioning Sharad Pawar. Sharad Pawar is going and meeting those people that Rahul Gandhi calls corrupt. Aam Aadmi Party is fighting with Congress Party in Punjab. In Punjab, Congress Party is saying Aam Aadmi Party के 32 MLA हमारे साथ है. In Delhi, they are saying हम सातों पे साथ लड़ेंगे. और 7 बाइपोल भी जो हुए उसमें भी समाजवादी पार्टी fought against Congress, Congress fought against left, and Trinamool Congress fought against left.
No, that's okay.
क्या है?
No, that's okay. No, Shahzad. Shahzad, they are unable to do so. But where they are together are these 3 upcoming state elections. They say whether it is Rajasthan. Let me tell you. They're saying Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. And let me tell you numbers. And I'm getting Manoj Singh on it. I start with Madhya Pradesh. There BJP has a problem. Can I have Rahul Dev also on it?
They are not.
No. Hold on, Shahzad, hold on. Yes. When I mean together, you need to understand, Kejriwal is going in Chhattisgarh and saying anti-Congress. Today, Pratap Bajwa is saying that 32 MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party are with them. But their top leaders have got consensus on one issue, Shahzad.
What?
That stay together.
And
you have to stay in a group, you stay on a group and you have to take on a line. So they are taking, they are abusing each other. People can see through, but they are together when it comes down to election, and they are together on one issue, they say. And their point is clear, that defeat BJP in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh. And I am coming on numbers. Madhya Pradesh, BJP is at 109, Congress is at 114. BSP 2, others 5, total is 230, 116 is required. Numbers were against you, but still you made the government, you got it. You brought Kamal Nath down. Now the problem with BJP in Madhya Pradesh is that the problem is of plenty. Today you have 7 cabinets, 7 senior member of parliaments going down contesting MLA elections. Shivraj Singh Chauhan's seat is not announced. People are saying whether Shivraj is even getting seat or not. Before I come to you, I'm getting Manoj Singh there. No, I'll come to you. You clarify on your time.
Aishwarya, because you cover BJP, I have to clarify.
What? Please clarify. I cover, so you have to clarify.
Yes.
What?
Because see,
what?
It should not look like such a...
What? What?
Pratima Bhaumik contested elections in Tripura. She was a minister. In Uttar Pradesh 2017, and you have seen that strategy closely. Lot of our MPs contested.
Yes.
So this is the strategy of BJP. But why isn't Digvijay Singh contesting if they are so sure? They should tell us why Digvijay Singh is not contesting.
Rahul Dev on
is contesting together. Even the Bhopal rally was cancelled.
Okay, Shahzad, I'll come back to you.
Abuse towards
let me get Matrise Manoj Singh. BJP